The articles are one of the most complex parts of English, and for many learners, it's one of the last things they master. This is the first of a series of 5 videos in which I'll explain the main rules that you'll need for using articles correctly most of the time. This video presents a brief summary of the key things you'll need to know. Later, watch the other videos in this series for more details about each of these rules. In this video, I'll also be discussing the important difference between names and common nouns. The articles are a, an, and the. However, we also need to know when to use no article. For no article, we use this symbol. First, and just quickly, remember that a and an are the same. The only difference is to do with sound. Use an before a noun or adjective that starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, or U. For example, a banana, but an apple. Watch out for examples like an honest man, which has a silent H. Okay, so let's look at the 4 most important ideas for choosing the right article. The focus for this video is the first of these, the difference between names and common nouns. For names, there is usually no article. For example, John, Canada, Microsoft, Liverpool. However, there are some regular exceptions that occur with the. For example, some places, groups of people such as families, rivers, mountain ranges, oceans and seas. For exceptions like these, you'll always need the. However, most nouns are common nouns, like ball or ice cream. For these, you need to choose whether to use a, an, the, or nothing. This is where articles become difficult. Watch our next video to see the first of 3 important rules that you will need to use these correctly.